Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. నా క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వింటున్నట్లయితే డెఫినెట్గా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. In the previous class we completed important examples. Now in this class we will finish exercise 10A. Exercise 10A, that is most important long questions. In the board exam we will get long questions from exercise 10A only. Okay na? Now first with second question. Find the constant c so that p of x is equals to c into 2 by 3 whole power x, comma x is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on is the PDF probability distribution function of a discrete random variable x. We had find the value of c. So what is given function? Given p of x is equals to c into 2 by 3 whole power x. 2 by 3 whole power x. What are x values? X is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. X is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. We know that one condition, sum of all probabilities is equals to 1. We know that sigma p of x is equals to xi or p of xi is equals to 1. Here I is equals to given 1 to infinity because we don't have maximum value. So x value starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay na? And p of x 1 నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఏమొస్తుంది మన p of x is equals to 1 plus p of x is equals to 2 plus p of x is equals to 3 plus p of x is equals to 4 plus and so on is equals to 1 is equals to 1. So what is the probability of when x equals to 1? What is the probability of 1? Take x equals 1 this substitute ikkada p of 1 is equals to c into 2 by 3 whole power 1. X place lo 1 substitute ikkada x place lo 1, so c into 2 by 3 whole power 1 plus next take x is equals to 2 here, c into 2 by 3 whole square, c into 2 by 3 whole square plus next take x is equals to 3 here, c into 2 by 3 whole power 3 plus c into 2 by 3 whole power 4 plus and so on is equals to 1 is equals to 1. So what is the total common చూడండి c total c common ఉంది and again what is the common? 2 by 3 is a common. 2 by 3 is a common. So take out c into 2 by 3 common. ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ ఏముంటుంది? ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ 2 by 3 కామన్ తీస్తున్నాం కదా, ఇంకొక 2 by 3 ఉంటుంది 2 by 3 ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక 2 by 3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంటుంది 2 by 3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ 2 by 3 హోల్ పవర్ 3 ప్లస్ అండ్ సో ఆన్ is equals to 1. So it is infinite series. It is in the form of infinite series up to infinity ఉంది కదా, infinite series. అంటే ఇది ఏ ఫార్మ్ ఉందంటే a plus ar plus ar square plus and so on up to infinity is equals to, so sum of infinite series is equals to a by 1 minus r. A is the first term, so a is equals to what here in the given series? A is equals to 1. R is equals common ratio 2 by 3 by 1 is equals 2 by 3 1. Second term by first term is equals to common ratio. Second term is 2 by 3, first term is 1, so 2 by 3 by 1 is equals to 2 by 3, or is equals to 2 by 3. So ఈ ఫార్ములా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. what is the formula? a by 1 minus r. So c into 2c by 3 into what is the formula? a value 1 by 1 minus r value 2 by 3 is equals to r వచ్చేసి ఏంటి 1 is equals to 1. ఈ టోటల్ కి ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం, ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సిరీస్ ఫార్ములా. ఈ టోటల్ సమ్ is equals to a by 1 minus r. ఓకేనా? a by 1 minus r ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తున్నా. సో వాట్ ఇస్ LCM? 3 is the LCM. 2c by 3 into by 3 1s are 3 minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1. ఈ 3 రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది. 2c by 3 into 3 by 3 minus 1 అంటే 3 minus 2 అంటే 1 is equals to 1. So 3 cancel, 2c is equals to 1, c is equals to 1 by 2. So this is a solution of second question. Now third question. So here probability distribution given. Probability of minus 2 is 0.1. Probability of minus 1 is k. Probability of 0 is 0.2. Probability of 1 is 2k. Probability of 2 is 0.3. Probability of 3 is k. Is the probability distribution of a random variable x. Find the value of k and the variance of x. We have to find the value of k and variance of x. So first we have to find the value of k. We know one condition. What is the condition? Sum of all probabilities of all the events is equals to 1. P of x is equals to xi is equals to 1. Here I means events, outcomes. So sum of all probabilities is equals to 1. So what is the probability of here? 0.1. Probability of minus 2 is 0.1. 0.1 plus probability of minus 1 is k plus probability of 0 is 0.2. So take the probabilities only, not outcomes. Plus probability of 1 is 2k plus probability of 2 is 0.3 plus probability of 3 is k is equals to 1. So like terms add cheyandi, k plus 2k plus k 3k 4k plus 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 0.6 అవుతుంది. 0.6 is equals to 1 and 4k is equals to 1 minus 0.6. 1 minus 0.6. 1 minus 0.6 is equals to 0.4. 0.4. So 4 right side side divide అవుతుంది. K is equals to 0.4 by 4. 0.4 by 4. So 4 ones are 0.4 ones are. So K is equals to 0.1. What is the K value? 0.1. Now we have to find mean. So find the value of k and variance. Variance find చేయాలంటే డెఫినెట్ గా మనకు మీన్ కావాలి. సో వాట్ ఇస్ మీన్ ఫార్ములా? సో మీన్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మీన్ మ్యూ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు సిగ్మా xi into p of x is equals to xi. Sigma xi into p of x is equals to xi. So this is mean formula. Mean mu is equals to. So take the outcome and probability of that outcome. So what is the outcome? Minus 2. Minus 2 into probability of minus 2 is 0.1 into 0.1 plus next outcome minus 1. Minus 1 into probability is k plus next outcome 0. So 0 into next probability is 0.2 plus next 1 into 2k plus next 2 into 0.3 2 into 0.3 plus 3 into k and the outcomes into and their probabilities. Take the product of outcomes and probabilities. So minus 2 into 0.1 minus 0.2 minus 1 into k minus k 0 into 0.2 total 0 అవుతుంది. 1 into 2k plus 2k 2 into 0.3 0.6 plus 3 into k 3k plus 3k. So 3k plus 2k 5k minus k 4k 0.6 minus 0.2 అంటే 0.4 అవుతుంది. 0.4 4k plus 0.4. So what is the k value? K is equals to 0.1. ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. So mean is equals to 4 into 0.1 plus 0.4. So 4 into 0.1 is equals to 0.4 plus 0.4 is equals to 0.8. This is mu. Mean is equals to 0.8. This is mu value. Next we have to find variance. What is the variance formula? Variance is equals to ఈ టూ ఫార్ములాస్ మోస్ట్లీ ఎక్సైజ్ యూజ్ చేసే మనం వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవి. వేరియన్స్ సిగ్మా స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా? సిగ్మా xi స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ p of x is equals to xi minus mu square. This is formula. Summation xi square into p of x is equals to xi minus mu square. Variance sigma square is equals to summation xi square into p of x is equals to xi minus mu square. Now take substitute the values. What is xi square? So this is x1. So take minus 2 square. Minus 2 square into probability of minus 2, 0.1. Plus next outcome minus 1. So minus 1 square into probability of minus 1 is k. Plus next outcome 0. So 0 square into 0.2. 0.2 plus 1 square into 2k plus next 2 square into 0.3 plus 3 square into k minus what is mu value? Mu is equals to 0.8 and 0.8 square. 0.8 square. 0.8 square. So minus 2 square value 4. So 4 into 0.1 plus minus 1 square and plus 1. So 1 into k plus 0 into 0 0. 1 square and 1 and 1 into 2k vastundi plus 2 square and 4. 4 into 0.3 plus 3 square and 9. 9 into k. 9 into k minus 0.8 whole square and 8 8 64 kada 0.64. 0.64. So 4 into 0.1 0.4 vastundi plus 1 into k plus 1 into 2k 2k 4 into 0.3 1.2 plus 9 into k 9k minus 0.64. 0.64. So k plus 2k 9k plus k 10k 10k plus 2k 12k 12k plus 0.4 plus 1.2 1.6 1.6 minus 0.64 minus 0.64. Now substitute the value of k here. What is k value? 0.1. ఇక్కడ substitute చేయండి. So 12 into 0.1 plus 1.6 minus 0.64. 0.64. So 12 into 0.1 అంటే 1.2 వస్తుంది. 1.2 plus 1.6 minus 0.64. 0.64. 1.2 plus 1.6 2.8. 2.8 minus 0.64. 2.8 minus 0.64. So minus do minus 2.80 0.64. So 10 minus 4 6 1 2.16. 2.16. This is variance sigma square. Variance is equals to variance sigma square is equals to 2.16. K here k is therefore k is equals to 0.1. K is equals to 0.1 and mu is equals to mean mu is equals to 0.8 and variance is equals to 2.16. This is the solution of third question. Now fourth question. This is also very easy and important for long questions. So here a probability distribution for random variable is given. So find the variance of x. We have to find the variance of x. So to find variance, first we have to find mean. And the variance find చేయాలంటే different మనకి ఏం కావాలి? mean కావాలి. First mean find చేద్దాం. What is mean formula? Mean is equals to mean mu is equals to sum is sigma xi into p of x is equals to xi. And the outcomes and product of outcomes and their probabilities. So sigma xi into p of x is equals to xi. So write substitute in values. Mean mu is equals to expand the summation. So first outcome minus 3 into the its minus the probability of minus 3 is 1 by 9. So take minus 3 into 1 by 9 plus second outcome minus 2 into 1 by 9 plus minus 1 into 1 by 9 plus 0 into 1 by 3 plus 1 into 1 by 9 plus 2 into 1 by 9 plus 3 into 1 by 9. 3 into 1 by 9. So minus 3 into 1 by 9 minus 3 by 9 వస్తుంది. So minus 3 by 9 minus into plus minus 2 by 9 minus 1 into plus minus 1 by 9 0 into something 0 1 into 1 by 9 1 by 9 only plus kada plus 2 ones are 2 plus 2 by 9 3 ones are 3 plus 3 by 9. Here -3/9 plus 3/9 gets cancel. రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ -2/9 plus 2/9 also gets cancel. And -1/9 plus 1/9 gets cancel. So what is the value? 0. Mu is equals to 0. Mean mu is equals to 0. Mean mu is equals to 0. Now we have to find the variance. What is the variance formula? Variance is equals to variance sigma square is equals to summation xi square into p of x is equals to xi. P of x is equals to xi. So ante square of the outcome తీసుకోవాలి. What is the square of the outcome? First outcome -3. Take -3 square into probability. What is the probability? 1/9 plus total summation remove చేస్తున్నా, sigma remove చేస్తున్నా. Second outcome -2 square. -2 square into 1/9 plus next -1 square into 1/9 plus 0 square into 1/3 plus 1 square into 1/9 plus 2 square into 1/9 plus 3 square into 1/9 3 square into 1/9. సో అంటే -3 square అంటే -3 square is equals +9 కదా, అంటే 9 1s are 9 9/9 plus -2 square అంటే 4 1s are 4/9 plus -1 square అంటే 1 into 1 1/9 0 square అంటే 0 into 1/3 total 0 అంటే +0 plus 1 square అంటే 1 1s are 1/9 plus 2 square అంటే 4/9 plus 3 square అంటే 9/9. సో టోటల్ ఎల్సిఎం డినామినేటర్ 9 ఉంది కదా, 9 టోటల్ 9 ఉంది కదా, అంటే ఎల్సిఎం 9 తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటున్నా is equals to what is the numerator value? 9 plus 4 plus 1 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 1 plus 4 plus 9 divided by 9 total divide LCM 9 కదా, 9 తీసుకుంటున్నా. సో 9 plus 4 plus 1 14 plus 14 28. So 28/9. This is the variance. Therefore variance is equals to, this is the variance sigma square is equals to 28/9. Variance sigma square is equals to 28/9. This is the solution of fourth question. Now fifth question. This also very long question, important long question. Very important long question. Easy and important. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. So this is the probability distribution. Find k. First we have to find k value, and second the mean. We have to find mean value, and p of 0 less than x less than 5. Probability of 0 less than x less than 5. So first we have to find k value. So we know one condition. What is the condition? Sum of all probabilities of all outcome is equals to 1. Sum of all probabilities of all the outcomes is equals to 1. So p of x is equals to xi is equals to 1. Sum of all probabilities is equals to 1. So sigma means sum of all probabilities. So what is the probability of 0 plus probability of 1 is, take probabilities only k. Next probability of 2 is 2k plus probability of 3 is 2k. Next probability of 4 is 3k. Probability of 5 is k square plus probability of 6 is 2k square. Probability of 7 is 7k square plus k is equals to 1. Total probability is equals to 1. So add like terms, 7k square plus 2k square plus k square, 10k square and k terms 3k plus 2k 5k 3 plus 8 9k plus 9k 1 left hand side చేయండి, -1 అవుతుంది, is equals to 1. So we have to factorize this one. So we can write 9 as 10 minus 1. we can write 9k as 10k minus 1k రాయొచ్చు మనం. So 10k square plus 9k as we can write this as 10k minus 1k. 1k minus 1 is equals to 0. So take out 10 common, 10k common from first two terms. 10k common. What is the remaining k? And plus 1. K plus 1. Take out minus 1 common from last two terms. If you take minus 1, minus k becomes plus k, and minus 1 becomes plus 1. Plus 1 is equals to 0. So what is the value of k? Take out k plus 1 common. K plus 1 common. What is the remaining? 10k minus 1 is equals to 0. 10k minus 1 is equals to 0. So k plus 1 is equals 0, or 10k minus 1 is equals 0. 10k minus 1 is equals to 0. So plus 1 right side side minus 1 అవుతుంది. అంటే k is equals to minus 1, or 10k is equals to minus 1 right side side plus 1 అవుతుంది. 10k is equals to 1, and k is equals to 1 by 10. K is equals to 1 by 10. So here this is the k is a probability. So probability is always greater than 0 and less than or equals to 1. But here we got k is equals to minus 1. It is not possible. K value is negative value is not possible for probabilities. Okay na? And k is equals to minus 1 not possible. So we have to take k is equals to 1 by 10 only. Reason ఏంటంటే probability is always greater than 0 and less than or equals to 1. Greater than or equals 0 and less than or equals to 1. And 0 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండొచ్చు, or less than 1 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది డెఫినెట్గా. ఓకేనా? కానీ k minus 1 నెగిటివ్ కదా, నెగిటివ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్, అందుకే k is equals to 1 by 10. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ is ఫస్ట్ వన్, k is equals to 1 by 10. నెక్స్ట్ ద మీన్. మీన్ సెకండ్ వన్, వాట్ ఇస్ మీన్ ఫార్ములా? మీన్ is equals to mean mu is equals to summation xi into p of x is equals to xi. P of x is equals to xi. So what is xi? First outcome 0, probability of 0. So first outcome is 0 into 0 plus next outcome 1 into k plus next outcome 2 into 2k plus next outcome 3 into 2k, next 4 into 3k, 4 into 3k plus 5 into k square, 5 into k square plus 6 into 2k square plus 7 into 7k square plus k, 7k square plus k, 7 into 7k square plus k. So 0 into 0 0, 1 into k plus 2 into 2k 4k plus 3 2s are 6k plus 4 3s are 12k plus 5 into k square 5k square plus 6 2s are 12k square plus 7 into 7 49k square, 49k square plus 7 into k 7k, 7 into k 7k. Now add like terms add చేయండి. like terms ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ k స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్స్ యాడ్ చేయండి. 49k square plus 12, 49 plus 12 61, 61 plus 5 66, 66k square plus k terms 4k plus 6k 10k, 11k, 11 plus 12 23k, 23k plus 7k, 23 plus 7 30k. Now substitute the value of k. What is k value? 1 by 10. 1 by 10 substitute ikkada. So 66 into 1 by 10 whole square plus 30 into 1 by 10. 30 into 1 by 10. So here 0 cancel. 10 ones are 10 threes are. So 1 square is equals to 1 only. 66 into 1 by 10 square into 100. 100 plus 3 ones are 3. So we can write this as 66 ones are 66 kada by 100 plus 3. 66 by 100 plus 3. So the most money value 0.66. 0.66 plus 3. 0.66 plus 3 is equals to 3.66. 3.66. This is the value of mean value. Mean mu is equals to 3.66. Mean mu is equals to 3.66. Now third one, p of 0 less than x less than 5. So x value is greater than 0 and less than 5. X value is greater than 0 and less than 5. P of 0 less than x less than 5 is equals to, x values means these are x values. So greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and less than 5 means same up to 4 only. Greater than 0 and less than 5 and manaki x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 4. So take p of x is equals to 1 plus p of x is equals to 2 plus p of x is equals to 3 plus p of x is equals to 4. X is equals to ante 4 less than 5 kada, less than 5 varaki iskoవాలి, x equals to 4 varaki. So what is the probability of 1? What probability of 1 is k. So k plus probability of x equals to, probability of 2 is 2k plus probability of 3 is 2k plus probability of 4 is 3k. So 3k plus 2k 5k 6 7k is equals to, what is, sorry, 8k. What is the k value? 1 substitute k value. K is equals to what? 1 by 10. 8 into 1 by 10 is equals to 0.8. 0.8. This is the value of p of 0 less than x less than 5. ఈ కండిషన్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 కదా అండ్ లెస్ దెన్ 5 కదా, అంటే 1 to 4 వరకు తీసుకోవాలి. p of x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2, x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 4. This is a solution of fifth question. Now second bit first question. This is very important long question. Very important long question. డెఫినెట్గా బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఈ ఎక్సైజ్ 10 నుండి లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది 100%. ఈ మీన్ వేరియన్స్ సమ్స్ నుండి. ఓకేనా? The range of a random variable x is 0, 1, 2. So these are a range of a random variable x. అంటే 0, 1, 2 అంటే outcomes. Given that p of x equals 0 is equals to 3c power 3, p of x is equals to 1 is equals to 4c minus 10c square, comma p of x equals 2 is equals to 5c minus 1. So find the value of c. P of x less than 1, p of 1 less than x less than or equals to, and p of 0 less than x less than or equals to 3. First we are trying to write as a table. So what is x is equals to x values and p of x is equals to x values. P of x is equals to x. What are x values? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1 and 2. So what is the probability of 0? P of x equals 0 is 3c power 3. 3c power 3. Probability of x equals 0. Probability of 0 is 3c power 3. Probability of 1 is 4c minus 10c square. 4c minus 10c square. Next, probability of 2 is 5c minus 1. 5c minus 1. So take this as table. మన టేబుల్లో డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం జనరల్గా. రైట్. Now we have to find the value of c. We know that sum of all probabilities of all outcomes is equals to 1. Total sum of all probabilities is equals to 1. So we know that sigma p of x is equals to xi, x is equals to xi is equals to 1. Total probability is equals to 1. What is the probability of 0? 3c power 3. 3c power 3 plus probability of 1 is 4c minus 10c square plus probability of 2 is 5c minus 1. 5c minus 1 is equals to 1. ఓకేనా? ఈ 1 లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సైడ్ ఏంటి? 0 లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ వస్తే -1 అవుతుంది. సో 3c పవర్ 3 minus 10c square plus 4c plus 5c 9c. 9c minus 1 is equals to 0. -1 is equals to 0. 3c power 3 minus 10c square plus 9c minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have to find C value by using Horner's method. Horner's in the division. So ఎలా చేస్తామంటే చూడండి, what is the C power 3 coefficient? 3 కదా, take 3 here. What is the C square coefficient? minus 10. C coefficient 9. Constant minus 2. Constant minus 2. Take C is equals to 1. If C is equals to 1. So what is the method? అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ 0 తీసుకుంటాం మనం. 3 plus 0 3. 1 into 3 3. minus 10 plus 3. minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. minus 7. 1 into minus 7 minus 7. 9 minus 7 2. 1 into 2 2. minus 2 plus 2 0. Therefore C is equal to 1 is a 1 value. So again we have to find remaining values. C equals 2 possible check చేసుకోండి. If C is equals to 2 0. 3 plus 0 3. 2 3s are 6. minus 7 plus 6 minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So here also 0. Therefore C is equals 1 is a 1 root. C equals 2 also another root. So what is the remaining root? So we can write this as equation form. So minus 1, this is constant. This is constant. This is coefficient of C. So we can write this as 3C minus 1. 3C minus 1 ఇలా రాస్తాం మనం. So we can write this as 3C minus 1 is equals 0. 3C, this is constant. Equation C లో ఉంది కదా, this is coefficient of C. Next ఇంకోటి ఉంటే దాని ముందు ఉంటే that is the coefficient of C square. So constant coefficient of C అంటే 3C minus 1 is equals 0. 3C is equals to 1. C is equals to 1 by 3. C is equals to 1 by 3. And what are C values total? Therefore C is equals to 1 or 2 or 1 by 3. C is equals to 1 or 2 or 1 by 3. But what we have to take, which is correct C value? And exact C value ఏంటి మనకి? Suppose if C is equals to 1, ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? C power 3 అంటే 1 power 3. 3 ones are 1 వస్తుంది. 3 ones are 1. అంటే probability of 0 is 3. Probability of 0 ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి? 3 వస్తుంది. So probability is always less than 1. Always less than 1. C is equals to 1 తీసుకొని దింపు 0 probability ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? 3 into 1 power 3 కదా. 1 power 3 అంటే ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాం అండి. 3 into 1 power 3. 1 power 3 అంటే 1. అంటే probability is 3 వస్తుంది. So probability is 3 is not possible. Probability is always less than or equals to 1. Definitely less than or equals to 1 ఉండాలి. అంటే C is equals to 1 not possible. Next, if you take C is equals to 2, ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? 3 into 2 power 3. 3 into 2 power 3 అంటే 8. 24 వస్తుంది. Probability is 24. This is also not possible. C is equals to also not possible. So what is the C value? Therefore take C is equals to 1 by 3. Therefore C is equals to 1 and C is equals to are not possible. C is equals to 1 ఇది రఫ్గా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఓకేనా? C is equals to 1 and C equals to are not possible. Not possible. Therefore C is equals to 1 by 3. C value is 1 by 3. మనకి ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 10Aలో ఫస్ట్ బిట్లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇదే ఉంటుంది చూడండి. అంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇదే ఉంటుంది, ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ C. ఇంతవరకు ఫస్ట్ బిట్లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇదే. ఫస్ట్ బిట్లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అక్కడ చెప్పాలి, ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ చెప్పాలి నేను. ఇదే ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ సొల్యూషన్ ఇవ్వండి. సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్లో ఈ 2 స్టెప్స్ ఇచ్చిన మనకి, ఈ సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఇచ్చిన ఎక్స్ట్రా దీంట్లో ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ బిట్ ఇస్తే అది ఫస్ట్ బిట్లో సెక్షన్ 1లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇదే, ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ C. సేమ్ ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది, క్వశ్చన్ సేమ్. ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ C వరకు క్వశ్చన్ సేమ్. ఇదే ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ 1లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ వి హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ సెకండ్ వన్. P of x less than 1. X less than 1 అంటే x values less than 1 అంటే ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? x values are 0 1 2 ఉన్నాయి మనకి. 0 1 2. x value less than 1 అంటే 0. P of x equals to 0. x value less than 1 అంటే 0 నే ఉంది మనకి. So P of x equals to 0. x is equals to 0. What is the probability of x equals 0? 3c power 3. 3c power 3. 3c power 3. Now substitute c value. So what is C value? 1 by 3. C is equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole power 3. 1 by 3 whole power 3 is equals to 3 into 1, 3 power 3 into 27. So 3 ones are 3 nines are. This is 1 by 9. P of x less than 1 is equals to 1 by 9. X less than 1 is equals to 1 by 9. And what is second one? P of 1 less than x less than or equals to x less than or equals to greater than 1 and less than or equals to ఉంది కదా, అంటే it equals 2 తీసుకోవాలి, ఓన్లీ 2, బికాస్ we don't have any value lies between 1 and 2. ఇక్కడ 1కి 2కి మధ్యలో ఏ వాల్యూస్ లేవు చూడండి, 1కి 2కి మధ్యలో ఏ వాల్యూస్ లేవు. సో హియర్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 గివెన్, సో we take x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2, that is P of x is equals to P of x is equals to 2. P of x is equals to 2. So what is the probability of x is equals to 5c minus 1? 5c minus 1. 5c minus 1. 5c minus 1. So substitute value, what is c value? C is equals to 1 by 3. Substitute here 5 into 1 by 3 minus 1. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 by 3. 5 minus 3 into 2. So answer is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. P of x is equals to 2. 5c అంటే 2 by 3 answer. Last one, P of 0 less than x less than or equals to 1. P of 0 less than x less than or equals to 3. అంటే గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 ఉండాలి, లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ 3 ఉండాలి. గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 అంటే 1 నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, 1 2. లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ 3 అంటే అప్ టు 3 వరకు తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే P of x is equals to 1 plus P of x is equals to 2 plus P of x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3. So what is the P of x is equals to 1? 4c minus 10c square. 4c minus 10c square plus P of x is equals to 2. 5c minus 1. 5c minus 1 plus P of x is equals to 3. That is impossible event. అంటే x equals 3 నాట్ పాసిబుల్ కదా, గివెన్ వాల్యూస్ ఏంటి 0 1 2 ఉన్నాయి మనకి. We don't have x is equals 3, so take the probability as 0. Probability as 0. So 4c plus 5c 9c minus 10c square, 10c square minus 1. So substitute c value, c is equals to 1 by 3. So 9 into 1 by 3 minus 10 into 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 is equals to 9 ones are 9 by 3 minus 10 into 3 square into 9 minus 1 is equals to, this implies, so LCM ఏం వస్తుంది మనకి, LCM 9 వస్తుంది. సో మల్టిప్లై దీని 3 తో మల్టిప్లై, 3 9s are 27. 27 minus 10 minus 9, 9 ones are 9 by 9. 27 minus 10 minus 9 is equals to 27 minus 19 8, 8 by 9, 8 by 9. This is the value of third one. What is the value? P of 0 less than x less than or equals 3 is equals to 8 by 9. This is very very important long question. Now second question. The range of a random variable x is 1 2 3 and so on, and P of x is equals to k is equals to c power k by k factorial. Here probability of this variable x is given by this relation. P of x is equals to k is equals to c power k by k factorial, where k is equals to 1 2 3 and so on. Find the value of c and P of 0 less than x less than 3. P of 0 less than x less than 3. So first we have to find the value of c. We know that already. We know that sum of all probabilities is equals to 1. Sigma P of x is equals to xi is equals to 1. Xi is equals to 1. Here given x is equals to xi, k value given. So what is k value? K is equals to 1. First take k is equals to 1. So what we'll get? P of x is equals to 1 plus P of, if we take k is equals to 2, P of x is equals to 2 plus P of x is equals to 3 plus P of x is equals to 4 plus and so on. and so on. What is the right side? Is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. P of x is equals to 1 value. Take x is equals k is equals 1 here in the RHS. So it becomes c power 1 by 1 factorial. C power 1 by 1 factorial plus take x is equals to 2 here, k is equals to 2 here, so it becomes c square by 2 factorial plus ఈ LHS ఫామ్ లో ఉంది, RHS ఫామ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి వాల్యూస్. టేక్ k is equals 3 here, 3 కదా, అంటే k వాల్యూ k ప్లస్ 3 ఉంది, సో హియర్ టేక్ ఇన్ ద RHS ఆల్సో, సో ఇట్ బికమ్స్ c పవర్ 3 by 3 factorial ప్లస్ k is equals 4 కదా, అంటే c power 4 by 4 factorial plus and so on is equals to 1, and so on is equals to 1. Now both sides, adding 1 on both sides, add 1 on both sides, add 1 on both sides 1 add చేయండి. It will become 1 plus c power 1 అంటే c by 1 factorial plus c square by 2 factorial plus c power 3 by 3 factorial plus and so on is equals to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So 1 plus c by 1 factorial plus c square by 2 factorial plus c power 3 by 3 factorial plus and so on is equals to 1 plus 1 value 2. 1 plus 1 value 2. So LHS in the form of మనకు ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది e power x ఫార్ములా. e power x is equals to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 3 by 3 factorial plus and so on. అంటే ఈ టోటల్ LHS ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉంది, మనకి ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉంది, అంటే మనం ఇది రాయాలి, ఇఫ్ దీంట్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, అంటే ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 1 ప్లస్ సి బై 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, 1 ప్లస్ 1 1 సేమ్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ సి ప్లస్లో ఏముంది ఎక్స్ ఉంది మనకి, అండ్ ఎక్స్ బై ఎక్స్ అంటే సి బై 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే సి స్క్వేర్ బై 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ప్లస్ అండ్ సో ఆన్. అంటే ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఫామ్ కదా, అంటే ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, సి తీసుకోవాలి మనం. సో టేక్ ఈ పవర్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాట్ ఇస్ RHS 2. RHS is 2. మనకి ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫామ్ లాగరిథమిక్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది మనకి. సో ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫామ్ ఏంటి, ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎన్ అయింది అనుకోండి, ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎన్. సో ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎలా ఉంది, లాగ్ ఎన్ టు ద బేస్ ఈ రాస్తాం, లాగ్ ఎన్ టు ద బేస్ ఈ. ఇది ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫామ్ టు లాగరిథమిక్ ఫామ్. x is equals to log n to the base e. సో ఇది కూడా సేమ్ ఇదే ఫార్మాట్లో రాయాలి. సో c ప్లస్ ఏంటి x కదా, దీని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, c is equals to log 2 to the base e. c is equals to log 2 to the base e. This is c value. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఫైండ్ చేయాలి మనం, దిస్ ఇస్ c value, c is equals to log 2 to the base e. నెక్స్ట్ we have to find p of 0 less than x less than 3. P of 0 less than x less than 3 and x value is greater than 0 and less than 3 అంటే ఏమేమి వస్తాయి మనకి 1 2 అంటే P of x is equals to 1 అంటే probability of 1 తీసుకోవాలి plus P of x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2. So what is the probability of 1 here, అంటే k plus లో 1 ఉంది కదా, P of x is equals to 1 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి c power 1 by 1 factorial, c power 1 by 1 factorial plus x is equals to 2 అంటే k is equals 2 అంటే c power 2 by 2 factorial, c power 2 by 2 factorial, c power 2 by 2 factorial. But what is c value, ఇదే కదా c value, log 2 to the base c by 1 factorial plus substitute c value here, log 2 to the base c whole square ఉంది కదా, square by 2 factorial. This is the value of P of 0 less than x less than 3. P of 0 less than x less than 3. ఈ కండిషన్ కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి, అంటే 0 less than x less than 3 అంటే x value is greater than 0 ఉండాలి and less than 3 ఉండాలి, అంటే P of x is equals to 1 plus P of x is equals to 2. So this is the solution of second question.